In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Mailerlite. We're going to use Zapier to automatically move new contacts from Facebook lead ads straight into your Mailerlite audience. This saves you from exporting spreadsheets, reduces manual errors, and helps you follow up faster. Before we start, make sure you can sign into Zapier, you manage the Facebook page running the lead form, and you have access to your Mailerlite account. Begin on the Zapier homepage. Click Create, then choose Zaps to open a fresh automation. This brings you into the editor where you'll set a trigger first and an action second. In the trigger box, click to select an app, search for Facebook leads, and choose Facebook lead ads. Then pick the trigger event that captures new submissions from your form, so each time someone completes it, Zapier can pull that data in automatically. Connect your Facebook account when prompted. Log in and allow Zapier the requested permissions so it can read your pages and forms. These permissions are required for Zapier to find your lead data. After connecting, select the correct Facebook page and then the specific lead form you're using to collect signups. If you have multiple forms, choose the one tied to your current campaign to avoid sending the wrong data downstream. Next, move to the action step. Click Action, search for Mailerlite, and select it. Here you'll decide what you want Zapier to do with each new lead inside Mailerlite. Choose an action event. Add subscriber is best when you want to create a new contact if one doesn't exist. Update. Subscriber is helpful if you expect the person might already be on your list and you want to refresh their details. Pick the option that fits your workflow. Sign into your Mailerlite account to connect it to Zapier. Approve access so Zapier can add or update subscribers on your behalf. Click Continue to configure your fields. Map the Facebook form fields to Mailerlite fields so data lands exactly where you need it. For example, map email to email, full name to name, and phone to a dedicated custom field. If your form collects extra details, map those to existing custom fields in Mailerlite so you can segment and personalize later. Finally, choose the Mailerlite group that new contacts should join. You might route them into a group like Facebook leads, webinar leads, or free ebook subscribers. This keeps your audience organized and all Facebook leads will automatically enter the group you select. That's it. Your automation is set up to capture every new Facebook lead and send it into Mailerlite with the fields you mapped, ready for immediate nurturing.